Good evening, everyone. Adriana Diaz is off tonight. I'm Errol Barnett. Millions of you are moving about the country this holiday weekend unless you've been caught up in the mass flight cancellation mess. More than 4,000 U.S. flights have been canceled since Thursday, hitting all regions of the country just as passenger traffic spikes. The TSA reporting tonight it tallied more than 2.4 million flyers yesterday. That's the highest numbers we've seen since Thanksgiving weekend. So what's being done to make travel more smooth? CBS's Michael George leads our coverage tonight at Newark Liberty International Airport in New Jersey. Good evening, Michael.
Errol, good evening. It's been another frustrating weekend. Another 800 flights canceled nationwide today. Now, Americans rely on air travel during the busy summer travel season, but flying has become one of the most unreliable ways to travel. Friday was the biggest travel day of 2022, and for many, it was another travel nightmare. Hundreds of delays and cancellations, passengers stranded, vacations ruined. At Boston's Logan Airport, delayed travelers were left to take naps on the airport floor.
We had people that were in front of us and behind us trying to rebook, and they had no options either.
What was once a rare occurrence is starting to become the norm. The airlines blame pilot staffing shortages, coupled with an unprecedented number of Americans flying. Add to it the bad weather this week, and you've got a perfect storm. Transportation Secretary Pete Buttigieg met with airline CEOs this week to urge them to improve service, tweeting air travelers should be able to expect reliable service. Delta pilots published an open letter to passengers blaming management, saying we've been working on our days off, flying a record amount of overtime to help you get to your destination.
My first flight was delayed more than 2 hours.
Experts say it could be months before staffing shortages improve, meaning your summer travel plans may be at the mercy of the airlines.
The reason I'm taking this flight is to present at a conference, and if I don't make it the day I was supposed to arrive, I might not be able to present.
And by the way, flying hasn't gotten any cheaper. In fact, it's about $100 more per ticket on average compared to last year. Errol?
All right, Michael George braving those winds as well. Thank you.